guys, today I got this neck and shoulder massager. It is made by Aflat. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. I love the way that it comes presented because it's definitely a perfect gift for any loved one. You know, who wouldn't like a neck and shoulder massage, right? Inside, let's go ahead and see. Inside it comes the product and cord. This cord will be a Type-C to a regular USB, so that way you can charge your shoulder massager. So this is wireless and cordless. It does have a lithium-ion battery, so you can rest assured you're not going to be with cables all over you or anything. Let's go ahead and unbag this. Wow, the color on this and the material looks very, very nice. You know, it gives that nice look of leather, even though probably it's not leather, but you know, it is very, very nice presented. Okay, so what you have here is the power button right there. You have the ability to change the massage. You have the intensity and you have the temperature. Now to strap it, you actually don't need anyone else. You can do it yourself just by, you know, stretching this and clipping it on the back. And you can actually use these strings to pull, you know, to make sure that you receive the massage, you know, where you need to receive it, okay? This cord right here will be for your USB-C, okay? You will connect it through here and directly to a USB adapter, so that way you can charge your massager. I hope the information in this video was helpful to you. I'm gonna go ahead and take a massage from my new massager, and I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video. That's relaxing.